Hello friends, today I want to show you a different way to plot a graph in Excel. I want to draw a plot. As you see, we have points and the data on each point. Let's create the graph. Simply you can select the data and then from insert, select charts. We have different options, but I prefer this one. But this way is not a good way because you don't know how Excel draws this plot. Let us use a different way. Then from insert, go to charts and here select the 5 variable type you want. I choose this one. Then active the box, right click, select data. Here click add series name, it represents the title. This data shows the CO2 emission in China, so I choose title as CO2 emission by China. And X value you can choose as you want. Year and CO2 emission, I choose year as X value. And also CO2 emission as Y value. Okay, now I have my graph. Here you can add axis title, data label, error bars, legends, because it's only one data. I don't need to add legends. Okay, right axis title. Here a unit is metric tons. Also you can change the color. I make it bold and black. For this one, years, bold and black. Also you can make it bold, or let it be red, and size let it be 16. Okay, now I want to change the color for these points. Select it and right click, make it black. Also I can change the color for the line or graph. Select it, right click, format data series. Here choose red color. Now it's red. Okay, also you have you can change the transparency for your line. Also you can change the thickness. You can change the type of line. You see it's a two parallel line, but the solid one is better. Also you can add dashed line, and also if you want to show the beginning, it's a beginning of the curve. And also you can select the line. You can add end arrow if you want to add end arrow, as you see the arrow here, but I don't want to add. Also I don't want to add end. Okay, now we can add minor grids. Just select horizontal axis and right click, add minor grid line. Now I added minor grid line. Then you can change the properties to minor grid line. Format minor grid lines. You can change the color. For example, I want to choose this red. And also for major grid line, select it and format major grid line. Then you can change the different color. For example, I want to use black color. Let's format the space between the axes. For example, here is a major unit or increment is 1. 2016, 2017, you can change it to 2. You see, 2014 to 2016. And also, if you want to change the increment between minor grid line, for example, 0.4, I make it 0.5. Now it's 0.5, but I want change to 1. Here let be 1, and here let be 0.25. Okay, What's more, for y-axis also select it and right click, add minor grid lines. Here you can change the color also. Right click, format, minor grid line, let be the color red, and the mirror, format major grid line and change the color to black. Now it's good. Also from design we have different options. Axis title, you can add X title, chart title, you see above, and inside data label. This one is so important. You can show the data in the point, on the point is data on the left, on the right. You see the data over the point is below. Data callouts, error bars you can add if you need. Grid line, primary, horizontally. Legend, if you have different curves you can add legends. You see that the legend, and it shows the different location for the legend. Also you can add trend lines, linear, exponential, and none. I think that's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.